What are you doing? You getting more tools? Yeah, it's a socket wrench. No, it's not a hammer. No, you drive screws with it. Or bolts. You getting a hammer? Go get one. I know Daddy's tools are a mess. Look down one more drawer. Go down one more. Oh, yeah, you found a hammer, didn't you? I guess there was one. Yeah. Now don't hammer the body of it. Just you can hammer the wheels. Yeah. Mhm. Oh yeah, you're fixing that wheel, aren't you? Ooh. Yeah. Yeah. Screw it in, bud. Got your light? Look underneath with your light. Make sure it's working right. Oh. What do you need now? It's called a level. That's a level. Got all his tools out. He's ready to go. He's working on the tractor. Yeah, those are Allen wrenches. Aren't they? Yeah. What else do you need to work on it? That's a wrench. And another wrench. Turn bolts with those. You can work on the grill, I guess. Grab that crescent. Yeah, there you go. A little crescent wrench. Mm-hmm. Hey, Vinny. Vinny. Whose tractor is that? Is that your tractor? Yeah. You worked on it. Is that your tractor too? Yeah. I'll show you. You'll show me? Okay. Beep beep. It's charging right now, isn't it? Yeah. Got all those tools out, huh? Using all those to fix it, huh? You use all those tools to fix it, Vinny?
Oh, no. All gone.
They're all gone? Huh. Good. Closing it up? Man, you're a good worker.
Tools.
I think it's all gone. They're all gone, bud. Oh, I don't know if you can lift that. Try to lift it. Try to lift the toolbox.